Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. The Xiaomi 12 is getting released globally on March 15th and we will see few variants as well. Xiaomi released a teaser for the Xiaomi 12 series release event. So more than one phone will be getting a global launch, and given that several members of the Xiaomi 12 family have already landed in China, we know what we are getting this year. But Xiaomi might not stop with just the phones it's launched in China, because there are whispers of other members of the Xiaomi 12 family too. So today I will discuss what phones we can expect from the 12 series. The Xiaomi 12 has a top-end Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, a triple lens camera led by a 50MP sensor, a 4500mAh battery with 67W charging, and a 6.28-inch screen, which is an OLED one with 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 12 Pro was unveiled alongside the Xiaomi 12 in China, so we are fully expecting to see it get a global launch alongside its sibling too, though there's an outside chance that it might not, depending on the company's international strategy. The Xiaomi 12 Pro has a 6.73-inch AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, up to 12GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage, a 4600mAh battery with remarkably speedy 120W charging, and a triple lens camera with 50MP sensors for main and ultra-wide and telephoto lens. The Xiaomi 12X was the third and final model in the range unveiled in China, and we are a lot less sure that this one will get a global launch, but we are including it in this section because My Smart Price claims to have learned European pricing for the phone from industry sources. Of course, there wouldn't be European pricing for it if it wasn't getting a wider launch. In any case, the Xiaomi 12X is an almost identical phone to the standard Xiaomi 12, just with a slightly less powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset, and therefore also a lower price. Well, that's about all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.